Hello everybody and welcome to the live streaming. Hope you guys are well and doing great with your trades. Hope you are generating nice consistent profits. So here we are back on webinar. So if you guys will have any questions, just feel free to use the chat. I can see both chats from the YouTube and for those who are watching me on TradingView. So if there is anything that you are struggling with, do you have any problems, feel free to use the chat and I will be glad to help you figure out what you're struggling about. So hello everyone, those on YouTube. Hello Tunde. Hello. Well, so let's wait a couple of minutes and then we will start with the webinar. Let's wait a couple of people to still join. I didn't schedule this webinar much earlier because I decided to make it right now, so just published it and started. Alright, so what I will be doing on this webinar, it's as usual. First, I will go through the pairs that I'm currently monitoring. Those are these pairs. This is what I am currently monitoring, and later on we will go through the charts which you would love me to look for you and analyze and comment, and we can watch it together and see what is the potential on your chart that you are currently watching. Good morning as well for those who are having the morning. Here is almost the evening, so good morning for everyone from the another side of the world. So I'm glad that we have people all around the world attending the webinar. Okay, so I will start now with my stops during the webinar or until I'm showing you what I will trade. Feel free to use the chat and this is your chance to ask me anything. Alright, so let's start. Your USD evening here in Nigeria. Oh, you're from Nigeria, that's great. Really nice. I'm really happy to have people from all around the world. Okay, so let's start with the setups that I watch. Okay, your USD, it's over there. I'm watching there for the sell now. Previous week I've been watching for this buy over there, from there to there. Okay, so this was the buy. Now you should already be away. Okay, so you should already book the profit, take off your profits, and I will watch now for the deeper correction. Something like this is what I'm anticipating, and then if the correction will meet all the requirements, if it goes down slowly, correctively, then we will see another wave to the upside over there. Can this go a little bit higher still from the place where it is right now? Yes, this still can go for a little bit higher. This is the chance number one. Or what it can do, it can as well struggle there, go up, then give you the bigger flat formation, and then one more high, and then it will drop for this deeper correction over there back to this trend line. That's how I will trade it currently. I'm watching it closely, will monitor it, and this is the move. Okay, so what I'm basically aiming, it's the correction. This is the correction, but it has not big potential anymore, so decided to not watch it anymore. Alright, the next one, Pound USD. Pound USD is doing nicely. Okay, so we are at the top. I think we will touch the trend line over there. We will touch it as it looks like, but I still do anticipate correction like this one. Okay, so something like this is what I really do anticipate over there, and then the last push to the upside, which will take the trend line, and then we will find and see the final push to the downside. But without this, I don't think we are going to hit the trend line without this. It will not go in the straight line, probably not. It's really rare cases it will do so. So I really don't anticipate it to do something like this. Top down analysis on gold, please. Watching from Hong Kong. Yes, we will watch. We will watch the gold. Just bear with me. I will just finish those couple of charts that I'm watching. Then we can go straight to the gold. So bear with me, and yeah, we will discuss about the gold. Watching from Hong Kong. Very nice. So probably there is the evening. Morning, sorry, as well, or in Hong Kong, or is it in the middle of the night? I really don't know which time zone it's Hong Kong. Okay, so this is something that I'm anticipating over there. Definitely we can go for a nice sell over there to this trend line back. In New Zealand USD, yes, I still do anticipate there more downside. And if we watch the higher time frame, this is kind of interesting structure, because this could be a correction over there. This could be the expanded flat, and then one more leg lower can appear easily. This all will be one huge correction for more upside, and then we will finally see the breakout over there. Oh, it's early morning. Nice. Really good. So for some people there is the early morning, for some those are evening, as for me as well. That's great. We have the all time zones over there. Nice one. So we all are able to trade from all the time zones. That's the point. We are all capable of trading from all time zones. It really doesn't matter. Alright, so I'm anticipating this one to push lower, at least back at the trend line, and this to be a corrective structure which is breaking out. It could be as well, but there is really important that we will have a corrective structure as well before this will start pushing higher. So that's the reason why I don't see this one going through that structure as it stands right now. Without correction, I'm not sure that we will have a breakthrough over there, so I'm not watching to buy it, definitely not, but sell it's interested. It can go all the way back to these lows over there, so potential it's very nice over there. Somewhere over there it can go if we catch a nice sell, or if you're already in the sell. That's a good risk to reward ratio as well. USD CAD, it's struggling over there. I think this one is going to the upside, definitely. Okay, as you can see over there, what we are doing something over there, but in next upcoming days we can get a flat over there, and then we will have a next push to the upside to take the trend line. It could be similar like this one over there, so something like this over there, and then we will have a next push back to the trend line. It will be really good trade to watch for. Okay, so let's see how this develops. Mark it on your chart, mark the analysis, and just sit back and watch this confirmation appear, and then we will get in the trade over there as soon as we got the confirmation from the market. But definitely worth of taking the trade, alright, because risk to reward ratio, it's nice move it's setting up over there. So I will definitely watch it. USD Chief, it's struggling at the bottom, and same there. I still do anticipate there a nice move to the upside. So how it will go, how fast, nobody knows. This could just go up, it can drop down for small movement once this correction will be completed. Small move, break the low, and then immediately start going up. Moves can be similar like over there, okay? So something like this, but not that much, okay? Chart will not go that much deep. it will go a little bit, it will go half the move probably, just break the low as where, let me just give you the example. It could be something like this. It went there and then it just went down to break the bottom as it did over there, and then, oh, sorry, this one, this big 1 2 3 just went lower, break the low, and then final move will start. Same can happen over there. It can go up, it can drop, tag the low, and then go another back up. This will give us the flat. Some of people will become confused and start selling like crazy, but this move will be very fast and short, break those tops, and immediately starts to change. So definitely buy it, something that you want to take. And if you take any buy from current standpoint as it stands right now, it should be very interesting, because your risk to reward ratio, it's nice, and you should not be stopped out whatever you do, but don't tighten your stop loss. I will choose to place my stop loss somewhere there out of this structure. This will give me the safe stop loss, so that way I will not be stopped out in any case. All right. I'm constantly getting some error message there on YouTube. There is some bug probably, as I can see. Okay, never mind. Okay, so let's continue. This is some behavior that I do anticipate on USD Chief and how it will develop in the upcoming days. Euro GBP, definitely for the sell. I still anticipate that we will go and tag one more those lows over there. So this is the structure, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, very sharp, very aggressive structure going down, which will go and tag those lows. So we can take this sell. This sell will not be for a long term, it's gonna be the short term trade. We can take it and remove our profits as soon as it will tag the trend line. So fast trade for maybe a day trading. New Zealand Chief is struggling as well, and I don't anticipate this one will turn anytime soon. It can just lose its momentum and then still has to come up, or it can do a little bit bigger correction. Okay, so it can go up, it can go down, and then go up, something like this over there. This is very possible. They usually does this kind of confirmation before they will start heading to the upside, so we can just wait for it. It's gonna be the confirmation. I always love to see this kind of confirmations over there, and I always patiently wait for those to appear. Euro Chief, same there. I'm watching all Chief to gain some strength over there. And yeah, similar kind of thing over there, going up, down, up, give me the confirmation or something like this. Look at that one. This is what I was showing you for the New Zealand Chief. This is what I'm anticipating. Now we are something like this. Now it will go up, down, and then it will give us a nice flat, and then definitely we can buy it back at a trend line. So if we apply the same kind of behavior on New Zealand Chief, here we are. But you have to be skilled to see it. Okay, so this is in the making. 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, and then we will finally start heading to the upside. And if we go back to the Euro Chief, here it is. See, same kind of thing happening over there. It went up, aggressively downside, went up and went down, 1 2 3, and then it starts to pushing higher. What happened to my, oh I didn't, this one, that was a misclick. So yeah, definitely watch it for as it will give us any confirmation for a buyer there. Euro Yen, yes, hold it, and if you're not in, I'm already in. And if you're not in, just wait for any kind of pullback over there. Any running flat is gonna be a good, and you can tag the previous high at least, or previous trend line. Something of this should be your target, but let's wait for any confirmation, any correction, any pullback to appear before you will get into the market. So any of those should appear, and then you will get in. Your target should be the trend line or at least the previous top. This is what I will do. I will not get out of the trade earlier, so my trade is somewhere there. This is where I took it, and I'm still holding it. We'll still hold it. This is gonna be the probably next week trade. I will be holding it for a week. Who knows how fast this will go? We will see. Okay, so we should not be predicting the time. the market shows us how long it's going to take over there. Aussie yen, same there. I mean, I'm anticipating all the yen pairs to go up first. Okay, so euro yen, Aussie yen, pound yen, CAD yen, USD yen, I'm anticipating all them going higher first, and then the price will start going down. Okay, so as it stands right now, definitely I will not watch for any sells. It doesn't matter if it appears this is not spot for selling, and I will not watch it for sell, rather watch it for buy. This one, it's having a nice expanded fat over there, at least back to the trend line, but I see them going much more further to the upside. At least breaking this top is what I'm anticipating over there on all the yen pairs. And pound yen, same there, it's struggling over there. It's gonna be struggling for next couple of days. It could do something like this, some flat, something like that, and then it can still continue its way to the upside. Very good chart, and just patiently wait for it. Do not be nervous over there if you are holding these trades. CAD yen, same there. I do anticipate this one going higher because it didn't give me the confirmation for sell. It may happen during the week, but if this happens, I will get out of my buy. Alright, but until I don't have this kind of confirmation, this kind of pattern, or however you call it, I will not be getting out from the buy. I'm still anticipating that the yen are about to go all the way up to this trend line, or at least tagging the previous high. This is my view and how I will be holding them. Let's go. USD yen, same there. This one has to go up. Definitely I will watch it for the buy as well. This is the move I'm anticipating. That's not the sell. So breaking out of structure doesn't mean sell. That's something we all should learn and keep in our mind, that breaking out of structure doesn't mean sell. It's just a breakout, and we need to have a bigger confirmation if this is about to continue further downside. Otherwise it's still the up. Euro Aussie, this is what I have taken there. It's a nice trade. How far? You still can watch for the buy. Okay, so that's something you can still get in, but you'll have to wait. Okay, so wait, let's give you some confirmation, let's give you something over there. You can get over there as it stands right now, or you can even watch to go out, then correct, then take it. The target should be previous trend line. Okay, so that far I'm really anticipating going that much all the way back at the previous stop. I don't see it reversing earlier. Okay, so all the way to the upside over there. Nice move and nice trade. It's this to the upside. Potential is there. So make sure you find the way to join this trade. It can give us a really nice profits over there. So worth of having it. Euro CAD is going to go and give us some confirmation over there. If it wants to continue its way to the upside, it will either give us something like this and then go upside, or it's gonna give us a deeper correction and then go upside. Both will be correct. Okay, so this or this one. Okay, you have two options, always two options. Which one will be, we have no idea, but you can take the sell and just hold it with proper risk management and of course reasonable stop loss. You should not be stopped out once those corrections are appearing and forming. So make sure you understand it. Stop loss is really important factor over there in this trading industry. So what you will watch for something like this. If this so, you definitely want to buy it. Okay, if this so, then you buy it back at the trend line. Good trade, definitely good trade. New Zealand CAD is trying to push lower. We will see as well over there what the price is trying to do. Either it will give us, like I'm always mentioning, confirmation for more upside, or it will either drop down. We have no idea. You can take the sell and you will decide later once you have more data from the chart. You always need to have more data, more candlesticks to make a decision. Pound chief, this one going higher. I really think that this is the chart that's about to go higher. Why? Because this looks like a nice flexor relationship to this impulse. We should be heading to the upside. Okay, so this should go to the upside, at least break that top. Okay, something like this needs to be broken, and this will be your trade, at least this. So worth of taking any buy order. Pound chief is definitely on my watch list, so we'll watch it closely and see when the chart will be ready to start heading to the upside. And the last one that I'm watching is Euro New Zealand. I'm already in the trade definitely, and what I will do, I will leave it open. I'm not touching it, not even placing my trade on break even, because as it stands right now, price should give me some pullback, some confirmation, and then it has to continue its way to the upside. Definitely I'm seeing the tag of the previous top, at least we will see and break it, and then we'll start to reverse. Okay, definitely I don't see a drop from the current standpoint. We're in the middle of the structure, and I really don't see the price going down from this standpoint. But we'll go to downside, but something is missing. I watch it as this 1, 2, and 3. This is gonna be a flat, probably flat, something like this. Okay, this is what I'm anticipating in the near future that the Euro New Zealand will gaze us. Okay, so that's the charts I am currently watching and setup that I will monitor closely. So now your charts, guys, let's go. Let's start with your charts. What you are trading. What would you like me to look for you? Just use the live chat. You don't need to be ashamed. We all are here to communicate, right? So there was the question about the gold, I think so, yeah. Okay, are you guys still interested for gold? Let me know. Do we have still interesting people for gold? Nobody. Where are all those guys now? Okay, yes, I will go straight to the gold. Straight to the gold then. Where is the gold over there? Let me take everything off from the chart. I want to start from the scratch. So where we are and what we are doing. Okay, so if this gives us more confirmation, it can start pushing higher. If this chart a little bit more, then we will definitely go for this buy, but not so big. This movement should be strong. If there will be no strong movement, you can take it off. But let me see how far it can go. Let me just... We break the top already. So this could be dangerous spot. This still can go down. Be careful with the gold. Or not so really. This is more like a channel. That's gonna be the channel for more upside, and that could be a nice corrective structure for more upside. So we are about to go higher, that's for sure. And how we are going to trade it, let's see. For our now, yes, we can watch there for a little bit bigger correction. I would love to see a little bit bigger correction. This can go up. You can take this buy. Once this buy is over, it's going to go for the deeper correction probably, and then it will push its way to the upside. They always does this kind of correction, so there are no worries. Anything you do, it's okay and totally fine. Okay, but the gold usually does this correction, went up correction, then goes into the deeper correction, then go one more. Okay, but there is bigger move to go. So there will be bunch of buy setups. Okay, so this is what I'm aiming for. These are going slowly. Once this bigger one appears, then this is the time when you can join. Okay, so this is when I want to join the market and then ride the whole movement. So here it will be the same. It can go up, it can go up, then it will be the deeper correction, and then you ride the whole movement from there to there, okay, or wherever you get in. It doesn't matter, but definitely it's better than getting into there and holding. This trade over there, if you get into any of those, these are not for holding, okay? These are not for holding. These are for quick profits, because always there is the deeper correction which will come, and it can cause you with a losing trade if you don't think properly, or if you don't get in on good timing for a holding. Okay, so well, this is perfect. What else? What do you think about gold, guys? Do you see it differently? Oh, you have it long term, that's great. So great. So you're more long-term trader, or looking to trade around my long-term holdings? Yeah, perfect. Position trader here. Very good. Very nice. I also like long-term invest and trading more than this short-term trading. So are you guys having any emotional struggles? Are you having good trading plan? Do you have any struggles with your emotions? Can you control your emotions, or you're having problems over there? I've been working with a lot of traders, and I can see that there's a lot of problems caused by emotions and controlling the emotions. How was your emotions? This short term is very different. Yeah, short term trading, it's totally different, and with different strategy it needs to be traded, let's say that way. Maybe it goes to 144. Gold probably, yeah. 44. Are you watching it to go that deep? Yes, it's possible. It can go that deep very easily. This flag can get bigger over there. Definitely, it would be even better if this goes deeper. Okay, so I would be happy if these do something like this and then decide to go up. Okay, so probably struggle a day over there, probably next day or till tomorrow it should struggle over there and then break out. That's gonna be great. It's gonna be stronger, because as longer it struggles, the bigger the correction it is, the stronger it explodes, let's say, like that. So I always love the bigger corrections. Those flags are not that good. I always love to trade these big flats or something like that, then boom, because those flags are just to push for one more leg higher, and from every flag there will be the deeper correction. Everything starts with the flag correction, then goes up and then down. Can you have look at SPY? Yes, of course I can. Why not? So this one definitely going lower. We are about to extend for a while, and that has to go lower. That has to go lower as well for the correction. Okay, and then it can go higher. As it stands right now, watch for the sells. Okay, definitely you can miss it. You'll at least grab the correction, or you can grab the deeper correction, something like that, and before next push to the upside, something from this is what you will be able to catch if you start watching for the sell stop. So worth of taking the sell stop, or worth of watching for the sell stop, let's say that way. Definitely I will not be buying. Okay, so if this goes higher, it will not go far away. It can just go a little bit and then it can go lower. Okay, so as it over there, it just went, and then boom, it starts to go lower. Same there. Okay, it can go just a little bit higher, or it doesn't. Okay, it doesn't matter. It can go, but it doesn't need to go, let's say that way. But I would rather watch for sell over there. Are you having already positions on it? Are you already trading it? I'm really not trading indexes anymore, because I've now decided to put all my focus, all my awareness on Forex pairs. So I'm fully focused on Forex pairs only. That's the reason, nothing else. Oh, you're out, that's great. So watch for sell stops if you're leveraged trade. Why only Forex? Because no, it's not better structures, because there's a lot of pairs to be traded and a lot to do. And I rather watch all charts, trade them all. There's I think 28 pairs are over there, so I'm watching 28 pairs constantly and strictly focus on them, and it gives me really good win ratio. I'm not saying it's good or better, but I just decided that way. I don't know why. It feels better for me, and to put all my focus on one market. Before I was trading indices, oil, commodities, Bitcoin and everything crust, but I find out that if I will place my focus, place my awareness only on one market, it will give me better return on investment, or I will make more money, let's say that way. Much better. It was even too much. Before I was watching all those markets, it was too much, because watching all from Forex to crypto to indices to commodities, it's really way too much and hard to stay focused on all those markets. So better limit yourself a little bit. That's what I do. I just tested out and found out that much better profit was there focusing only on one market. Could you please analyze USD Chief? Of course I can do, why not? I did at the beginning, but let me do that for you right now. Let's go straight away to the USD Chief. I'll analyze it again for you. You were probably not there at the beginning of the webinar. So this is the structure. I'm watching this chart to go higher. Currently it's struggling over there. Correction can get bigger and then go a little bit lower and then still can go up. Okay, it doesn't matter anyway. The move should be to the upside. I'm not interested to any sell over there. Selling, it's not for us. At least for those who want to make money and live from trading, you should not be selling at the bottom of the structures. It's dangerous. Even your risk to reward ratio, it's bad, and you can be easily stopped out and not worth of taking the sell. So I would rather place my focus for buying the USD Chief back at the trend line at least, and then I will see. Sounds very good. Thank you very much. I'm much more stable watching only Forex pairs, but my analysis works on all the markets, so it's easy to watch all of them. That could be a problem sometimes. Thank you, sir. How about you, Chief? Similar kind of wave to the upside, because I'm watching Chief to lose its strength. That means that the other will go higher. And here, Chief, here it is. Here is the chart that you're asking me about to go higher. Okay, so this is the move we are looking for. But what it can do, can it go for the correction? Yes, it can do something like this over there, but a bit smaller option probably, and then push its way to the upside. But who knows? Okay, what is the better way of trading? To wait for these confirmations. I call them the confirmation, because this move went up, you can skip it, you don't need to trade it. Then you wait for this confirmation and get into the trade for the upside, as you can see over there, as it is forming right now. But if you watch in bigger structure, this has a potential to go even out of the structure. So worth of taking the trade. This could be a nice impulsive structure, and this could be corrective triangle over there, and then these two continue its way all the way up to this trend line. So very good looking chart over there, or the opportunity that we are aiming for. And this is the reason why I'll watch it. These are all the charts that I'm maintaining and keeping my eye on. I will take this and follow my trading plan. That's gonna be a nice chart, definitely. A lot of good charts are setting up now in the upcoming days, as I can see. Okay, so I will be there just for next 5 minutes. Let's take some questions and then I will end the webinar. what broker do you have for Forex? I do use IC Market, Saxo, and a couple of FTMO firms. I do kind of trade a lot of trading accounts. And even my wife is trading one of the pro firms as well. So we all are fully into trading and just live from trading. Okay, so I will end the webinar over there. So everyone, thank you for being there. I would please you to hit that like button. It really means a lot to me, and hope that you learned something new on these kind of the webinars. So for next time, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure that you follow on my Telegram, so you will not miss the next upcoming stream where you can ask anything that bothers you, whatever comes to your mind. So straight from the top of your head. And if you remember any question, or later on when you will be watching the recording, just leave a comment under the video and I will answer it under the video, or even I will comment it on next live session that we will have. Okay, so until then, thank you everyone for being there, and see you next time. Take care, enjoy your day. See you, bye bye.